What'd you do?
Alright.
It's gone. You're good.
Oh, we're filming?
We're rolling.
Alright.
So we can just edit it.
Oh, what a dick.
Oh. Alright, welcome back. This is Cooking with the D. I'm Darren.
I'm Sean.
And cheers, motherfucker.
That's fucking hell good. Alright. Today, amateur hour. Need a few more of those. Today we're going to do a peach bourbon cocktail.
Yes. Peaches are in season. We thought we'd go for a little peaches this afternoon. And tonight we're using some good old bourbon. Alright, so we got our tin full of whiskey, peach, some sugar, a little lemon juice. This helps. We've got a metal tin. You use a pint glass. You want to go at it like an angle. Pop it in, hit it, and then give it a good shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
Give it a nice 45-degree angle.
Alright, once it's shake it up, once you start feeling the tin getting cold, the key is the popping this is if you hit it on the side, it'll break the glass loose.
Darren went to bartending school.
Yes, I did. Then use your little handy strainer right here, pop it over there, pour that over. Oh yeah. Looks good. Yeah, it's okay. We got about half full, and then you're gonna finish it off. Some fresh, good old club soda seltzer. Put down. That's that. If we want to get really fancy. And there you have it, some good old peach whiskey cocktail. There you go, sir.
Thank you.
Damn, that's good. You probably will stir it up a little bit. Yeah. Alright, I think we're good.
I should get that.
Alright, guys. Let's Cooking with the D. We had our drinks. I think we're a lot more drunk now than we were last time you saw us on camera. So tonight's recipe, what would you call it, Sean?
Grilled peach cobbler.
Where the fuck did we think of grilled peach cobbler?
I don't know, it sounded good. We were looking for recipes and I came across the grilled peach cobbler. Regular peach cobbler wasn't good enough, so I was like, let's try
We're
this
gonna
shit.
keep it peachy tonight, guys. You stay tuned. So
Yeah.
first off, let's take some shots, and then let's teach you how to make some fucking peach cobbler. Woo-wee! That tastes better.
Oh.
Alright guys, first step. We gotta grow some fucking peaches.
Yep. Grill the peaches. We'll bring them in and get ready for the baking.
Yeah, it's a 2-part process, 3 parts. It's multiple parts. I don't know how many parts. What's your favorite part?
Drinking.
Alright, so we got 6 peaches cut in half. So we got 12 halves here. We're going to throw in the grill. So we're going to let them cook on here for about 2 minutes per side. Just to get them a little charred. Start caramelizing that sugar on the outside and give them nice and a little bit of smoky flavor. So let's let them do their thing.
Look, that one's got like a butt cheek.
Where's that picture you took of the butt cheek one?
I didn't take it.
No, Sean was
Oh.
we got Safeway.
I thought it was recording and it would have been perfect.
We're at Safeway and
Oh.
Straight
That
butthole.
looks a good. Yeah, it does.
Straight
look good.
butthole peach.
Are you gonna put it in the?
Alright guys, this is a little better lighting. Apologize for lighting out there in the back. We'll get on that next, maybe on the 25th episode. But this is what they look like. They've been on the barbecue like Sean said earlier. About 5 minutes on the flesh side just to get a nice charred marks, a little caramelization. Flip them over on the skin side for about like 2 minutes. Not really trying to cook them, just trying to get some color and some flavor. So here, let's show you what's next.
The fuck is that?
It's a mixed drink we did. Bourbon. It's a bourbon peach cocktail.
You can watch our video to find out how to make it.
Yeah, you watch a video, you learn how to make it. Fucking drink it. You don't need to smell it. It's not gonna change your palate. You just swish it around your mouth and think you're elegant.
I don't know. Do you get any sugar? Does it have sugar in it already?
Just a little bit, but you
A
don't
little
want
bit or a little bit?
you don't want too much sugar when you're drinking.
Actually, you know what? With bourbon, it actually tastes really good.
Yeah.
Actually, it's like balanced
refreshing.
out. Yes, there you go.
It's very
Good word.
refreshing.
Yeah.
Alright,
You
is
should
that
use
one
that in
rolling?
your little,
It's
your
rolling.
little fun video recording thing.
You ready?
We are. Yes. Born
All right,
fucking
guys.
ready.
Let's do this shit. Alright. Fuck you. Alright, so we took the grilled peaches here, we cut them up into wedges, put them in a mixing bowl here, squeeze a little bit of fresh lime juice, use my hands to get the seeds.
We don't think he's washed his hands, but
Don't worry about it.
the lime juice and lemon juice
It'll
will
cook it
kill
off.
the bacteria.
It's like ceviche.
Ceviche, that's how you cook shrimp. You cook the peaches. That's fucking gross.
Let's pick the seeds out. That doesn't work too well.
Maybe next time you do that, you should actually show that you wash your hands.
Nah.
We don't, if you tell them, then they know. I mean, they gotta believe you, right? Everything's real online.
Some fucking butter. Put a whole stick in there. Put like, there's 2 tablespoons. 4 tablespoons.
I like that.
Yeah, whatever looks right.
Is that brown sugar? What the fuck is that shit?
Then we just go to town and we start mixing it.
What was the stuff that you poured last?
That was cinnamon.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna use my hands. They're clean, don't worry.
Oh,
That looks
shit balls.
very yummy.
You put a shit ton of butter, a shit ton of brown sugar. You extract the lemon seeds because those are no good.
Yeah, tell them what I'm doing, Sean.
Put a fuck ton of sugar, and then you get in there.
You forgot the cinnamon.
You get in there nice and deep.
Oh, cinnamon. Let's get you guys a little bit closer here. I'm fucking tearing at the eyeballs.
Get that butter nice and mixed up. It doesn't have to be beautiful. We're not getting testicle here.
Not testicle.
Alright. Yeah, you want something that looks like that.
Looks like a peach mess. I like it. I like it though. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Fuck yours. We're good.
Cool.
Alright, man. Fucking ready?
Let's pull it out.
Alright, so this bitch has been in there, what, like 25 minutes? 30 minutes?
Oh shit.
At 350 degrees? Man, it's going fucking good.
Yep. We cooked it a little longer. The peaches we used weren't completely ripe, so we wanted to cook them just a little longer for a little more caramelization.
Close that.
We'll see how it goes. Put the ice cream on them.
So, let
Start
it
eating.
cool. We'll get a little spoon. Alright, and there you have it. Grilled peach cobbler with what's that shit called? Oats, crumble,
and
granola, peach, a little bit of vanilla, lactose-free caramel sauce, and there you have it. Episode 2. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, likes. Don't get on my fucking camera.
Oh, I'm gonna get on your camera.
Get on the close-up. The
But they want
close-up's
to
right
see-
here.
Well, sorry, the close-up's right there.
Let's put on the thing. Get a good shot. And there you have it. Stay tuned. Yeah.